Now understand the image you see right on your screen. This pyramid right here on your screen can just be that one thing that helps you to double or triple your sales and the results for your business, your e-commerce business. If you're struggling to even generate sales, you have people viewing your videos, your marketing content, they're landing on your websites, a lot of traffic, but there are no sales. Understanding this pyramid right will help you generate more sales. Now, for every marketplace, there are people who are ready to buy immediately, and there are people who are not just interested in whatever it is that you have to sell. It doesn't matter what you say. It doesn't matter if you are Jesus himself. They are not going to listen to you, and they will not buy your product. Now, the top of this pyramid, this image you see right here, you have 30% of people in your marketplace who are ready to buy. These people, they have a pain. In fact, they have tried something before. It probably didn't work for them the way they expect. So yeah, they have a pain, they have a need, a pressing need to solve at this time. So they see your product, they go ahead and make the purchase. They don't care about the price. For some persons, they don't even give a damn about what you're saying in a video or even on your website. They just have this problem, they just have this need, and they just want the solution. So they go ahead and buy it. But the interesting thing about this is, I found that so many businesses focus on this 30%. Yourself, your competitors inclusive, they are all focused on this 30%. This makes it difficult to even make sales online. Well, let's move on. Let's talk about the next level of this pyramid. The next level right here, you will find 7% of the people in your marketplace. Now, these are people who have a need, but for one reason or the other, they click away from your website. They are already in the process of buying. In fact, they've gotten to the checkout, the point whereby they need to pull out of their cards and make payments. But for one reason or the other, they just abandon their cards, the checkout process. These are people who you can reach out to and change their mind immediately. They could have one objection or the other, right? It could be that their phone even went off during the time of going through the whole buying process. So you must have a way to reach out to these people, and this is where retargeting comes into play. So you want to be able to have SMS retargeting, you want to have email retargeting, also want to have follow-up sequences. Okay, you can have the cocktail sequence. I talk about the cocktail sequence inside of the mall sales system. So the cocktail sequence is what is going to help you to get people back, answering some of the objections that they have. Your SMS can help you to do that as well. The idea is to get them back to complete the buying process, and it's very easy to change the mind of these people. The next level of this pyramid is about 30%, and these are people who have a need. They have a need, like this product, this solution, it's something that can be of immense help to them, but they are not just ready. And it could be for a whole lot of reasons. It could be that they don't trust you enough yet. It could be that price is the issue. Now, for this level of this market, what you want to be doing is putting out content. So this is where content marketing plays a role in your entire marketing process. You want to put out content, that something that explains to them how something is done in your business, the process of manufacturing of your product. You want to put out content out there: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Hope you get a point. Now, for most of these people, when they get to the point they're ready to buy, your company will be the first that comes to their mind. So this is what you want to do to be able to get these people back to your business, to be part of your business and spend money with your business. Now, the next level of this pyramid is made up of about 30% as well. Now, these are people who don't have a need. They don't have a need for your solution or your product. Yeah, it's possible to, carve out the need. It's possible to create the demand, but it's difficult. You have to be really, really good at what you do to do this. I don't really advise anyone to bother themselves trying to get people creating demand in a market. It's best that you serve a market with an existing demand. The next level of this pyramid, you also find 30% here. These are people who don't give a damn. These people, they don't care about your product, they don't care about your services, if the service that you render. But I believe most persons who are watching this, you have either a product or a service. They don't care, okay? And regardless of what you say, you're not going to convince them, and that's fine. Not everyone is going to be interested in what you have to sell, so it's fine. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call buyer's pyramid. And for each level of this pyramid, your messaging has to be different. There is no way you will target each level with the same messaging. You must have different messaging for each of this level. And to engineer the right message for each level, there are certain things that you must do or have in place to make this possible, because this is how you will be able to get them to take action on the products that you have. This was exactly what I did to, get a brand from zero to making over 11 million in its first 120 days. And I discussed all of this inside of the more sales system. So if you want to learn how to do this, all you just need to do is click on the button somewhere around this video, below this video, and you can have more information about the more sales system and how you can start engineering the right message for your market.